Do you know that a lot of women have subjected themselves to unnecessary stress due to unwanted pregnancy? No matter how rich you are, if there were no prior preparations and plans to make baby, it could be very stressful passing through that journey of 9 months. This is why it is very important to plan every pregnancy before you embark on it. Family planning is very important. Therefore, getting the right knowledge of birth control methods and use it to plan your pregnancy is very, very important. This is why I decided to make series of videos explaining different methods of birth control you can use to prevent unwanted pregnancy. In the last 2 episodes, I explained how to prevent pregnancy using contraceptive pills and also how to prevent pregnancy using IUD. Today, in this video, I am going to discuss how to prevent pregnancy using female condom. What is a female condom? Female condoms are also called the internal condoms. They are the alternatives to the regular male condoms. Female condoms are a valid method of contraceptives, which means they work by stopping the sperm from meeting the eggs. That simply means that they can prevent you from getting unwanted pregnancy as well as protect you from contracting STD. Now, what is the difference between the male and the female condom? The difference is that instead of the man wearing the regular male condom on his penis, the woman inserts this female condom inside her vagina to prevent pregnancy. Now, how do internal condoms work or female condoms work? The internal condoms, which are also known as the female condoms, are soft plastic pouches that was made to be put inside the vagina to cover the inside of the vagina, creating a barrier which stops the sperm from reaching the egg during ejaculation. How do we use the female condom? First of all, female condoms comes in a pack. Check the expiring date. After confirming that it has not expired, then carefully open the pack and bring out the condom. Do not use scissors or sharp nails to open it because it can perforate it without your knowledge, and that can lead to unwanted pregnancy. This is how the interior looks like. It has 3 parts: the pouch, the inner ring, and the outer ring. This outer ring and the inner ring, which is the base, is used to put in the vagina and it keeps it in a proper shape. The thin outer ring remains outside, covering the vagina opening. There is also a silicone-based lubricant found on the surface and also in the inner part of the condom. Now, how to put it inside? You can use any comfortable position that you wish. For instance, you can stand with one foot on a stool, or you can choose to lie down or squat position. Now, squeeze the inner ring and slide it carefully inside to cover the wall of the vagina. Now, push the inner ring inside the vagina as far as it can go. Make sure that the condom is not twisted. You can put your finger inside and push it to go deeper. It can be inserted up to 8 hours before the intercourse starts. Make sure that the outer ring covers the opening of the vagina and cover the surface as well, and push it inside. Make sure that the penis goes inside the female condom and not in between the condom and the body or by the side of the vagina. Make sure that the penis does not come in contact with the vagina before the female condom is inserted. Remember, pre-ejaculatory secretions might contain sperm that may cause unwanted pregnancy. Now, how do we remove the internal condom after sex? Just twist the outer ring and carefully pull it out from your body to make sure there is no leakage. Now, how do we dispose the condom after use? Most female condoms come with a pack. So after use, pull it back inside the pack and carefully seal it up, wrap it in a paper. Do not put in the toilet, but put it in a bin. Your next question is, how effective are female condom? If you use it correctly, it is 95% effective in preventing pregnancy and STI. Is there any need to use extra lubricant for female condom? The answer is no, because they come pre-lubricated to make the usage easier. What if the female condom tears? If you use it correctly, the possibility of tearing is very, very low. But in the case of that, you can use emergency contraceptive. Are they easily available in the market? No, they are not as widely available as male condom, and the price is slightly higher. But you can buy them online or in the pharmacy or in the supermarket too. In summary, if you use female condom correctly, it is 95% effective in preventing unwanted pregnancy. At this point, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please smash the subscribe button right now and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos like this. In my next video, I am going to discuss how to prevent pregnancy using another method. So to be a part of this journey, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out. Thank you for watching.